good friend of mine.
Benita.
And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you my good friend,
Benita.
our guest for tonight, the one and the only,
Benita.
my very good friend,
Donita.
ladies and gentlemen,
Donita.
our guest for tonight,
Donita! Wala na. Nabulok na sa tekla talaga. Ang sabi ko, introduction. Hindi ko sinabi, mag-seminar ka dyan. Okay. Seminar yung ginagawa mo. Ayan o, may whiteboard. Yayaman po tayo kailan. Kailangan open-minded lang po tayo. Ano? Sige na, ako na mag-introduce. Kaya ka na.
ito na. Ako na talaga.
Sige.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yan. On the right corner, weighing 150 pounds. Ako to be. Tekla.
alam ko si Pacquiao. Please welcome Super Tekla!
Para sa mga nagmamahalan at maghiwalay din. So, damay-damay. Pero DJ, palitan mo itong ilaw mo parang paliga ng basketball yun. Wala bang ibang color niya? Change mo. Para naman mag-blend ng performer sa stage. Yan yung power, kaya may lights nilalagay dyan. I-change mo gago, pinatay. Huwag yan parang galunggong na presto dyan. Huwag yan parang may look na avatar. Huwag yan. Yung... So, spaceship. Wow, pwede na ako tumawid. Huwag yan pang demonyo yan, gago. Tula, yan o. Yan, pinatay mo, maganda na ako. Sige, para po sa inyo lahat. At saka, kanina, Bisaya. Sino yung Bisaya, yung singer kanina, no? Be proud. Oo, be proud yung Bisaya. May mga Bisaya ka din eh? Taktak ka ng mga Bisaya. Oo. Naghang kayo ng mga Bisaya sa kasang lugar, no? Kasi ako, I'm proud being Bisaya. Kasi tayo mga Bisaya, tayo lang ang dialekto sa buong mundo na itala sa Guinness Book of World Record. Dahil power tayo pagdating sa language. Isang salita, ang daming meaning. Diba sa Bisaya, yung salitang peace. Ang peace, kapayapaan. Ang peace, muka. Ang peace, isda. Yan. Ang peace, kung saan ka nakatira, peace 1, peace 2, peace 3. Diba? Pagdalit ka sa kapwa mo, peace 3, yawa. Gano'n, pag Bisaya, ipagmaraki natin yan, ha? Tapos maraming mga babae, maraming po, mga couples. And of course, I see another foreign exchange in the house. Hello, sir. You from what country? Here? Country to? Binyo to. Bugo man ang mga Hello, sir. Welcome. Yeah, have you been to the Philippines? How many times did you? Once. Yeah. So how did you find the Philippines? Did you find it? Very nice country, right? You experienced the most beautiful islands, beaches. Yeah, because in the Philippines, there's a lot of beaches there. Especially you go to Quezon Avenue. Lots of beaches there. 250 all the way. 150 blue job. So, I assume that you go to Palawan. You go to Palawan? Ay, sayang. Ate, sino bang partner niya yan? Where's your partner? Oh, then hindi mo siya dinala sa Palawan? You must bring him to Palawan. It's the very, paradise. And I suggest you go to, have you been to Boracay? Oh yeah, very good. If you have a lot of budget, you go to Boracay. If you didn't have enough budget, you go to the other side of Boracay. That is a very cheap island called Dakak. I love Dakak. I swallow Dakak. I sit on Dakak. Huh? How I miss Dakak. Sir, can I see your Dakak? Yeah, and I would suggest that you go to the most friendliest people in the Philippines, the friendliest place in the Philippines. I suggest you go to Patikul, Sulu. Yes, very nice place, the people there. Once they like you, they will never let you go. They keep your head as a souvenir. No, just kidding. You're not kidding? You're not kidding? When you're small, you're kidding. Okay? And you're holding, you're dying. Ha? Sige, kakata ko para mabuo yung sweldo at makauwi na. Game.